2012 Eclipse Spyder. With signature looks, a sleek spoiler, and a drop top that stows completely out of sight in only 19 seconds, Spyder has style covered. Equipped with either the powerful 6-cylinder or the fuel-efficient 4-cylinder, the Eclipse Spyder gives you the great driving experience you deserve and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, automatic transmission, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, Bluetooth, FWD, heated driver's seat, passenger airbag, fog lamps, remote power door locks, power windows, daytime running lights, tachometer, leather seats, heated passenger seat, tilt steering wheel, rear parking aid, privacy glass, power heated outside mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.